today. In this session, we are going to discuss rational numbers. We are going to change fractions into decimals and decimals into fractions. Let us define rational number. When you say rational number, it is any number which can be written as a quotient of two integers where divisor must not be equal to 0. So we can represent it as A over B, where B must not be equal to 0. So bakit hindi po pwedeng mag-equal to 0? Kasi magkakaroon ka ng undefined numbers dyan. Okay? So, in short, rational number can be written as a fraction. So, this includes integers, terminating decimals, and repeating decimals. So, these three are the forms of rational numbers. Isa-isahin natin ang mga forms of rational numbers. Let us have the first one. We have integers. So, how can we rewrite integers into fraction? So, it can be written as a fraction by simply by giving it denominator of 1. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng denominator of 1. So, fraction na siya. For example, we have here 4. 4 is equal to 4 over 1. So, meron ka ng numerator, meron ka ng denominator. So, equal lang yan, si 4 and 4 over 1. Then, we have here negative 3. So, negative 3 is also equal to negative 3 over 1. Alright? So, that is how we will change integers into fractions. Next tayo, let us have number 2. We have here terminating decimals. So, terminating decimals, these are fractions whose denominator have 2 and 5 as their factors. And decimals has ending. Pag sinabi mong 2 and 5 as a factors, therefore, yung mga factors niya should be 2 and 5 only. Yung mga prime factors niya, 2 and 5 lang. For example, we have here 1/4. Si 4, ang factors niya lang is 2 and 2. So, therefore, this is terminating. Nagigets? That is it. So, if you change it into decimals, so it becomes 0.25. So, the decimals has ending. Natatapos siya dun. So, tapos na siya, i-compute hanggang 5 lang siya. Alright? Next tayo, 7 over 20. So, 7 over 20 is also a terminating decimals. Bakit? Tingnan mo yung denominator niya, which is 20. So, pag kinuha mo lahat ng prime factorization ni 20, so si 20, mga factors niya, we have here 2 and 10. And then, ang factors ni 10, we have 2 and 5. So, as you can see, ang mga prime factors niya is 2, 2, and 5. 2 and 5 only. Therefore, this one is a terminating decimals. So, ganun mo siya masasabi kung si fraction, kung siya ba ay terminating or non-terminating. Alright? So, we have here 7 over 20 is equal to 0.35. So, meaning, may ending siya. Hanggang 0.35 lang yung sagot niya if you are going to change 7 over 20 into decimals. Is it clear? Next tayo, let us have the repeating decimals. When you say repeating decimals naman, these are the fractions whose denominator do not have 2 and 5 as a factor. Okay? So, meaning, pwedeng may 2 and 5, pero may nadagdag na iba pang factors. So, repeating decimals na siya. Okay? So, decimal dito has no ending and repeating. For example, we have here 2 and 3. Ang factors sa 3 ay 3 and 1. So, wala siyang 2 and 5 dun sa kanyang factors. Therefore, it is repeating decimals. Is it clear? Next tayo, we have here 1 over 18. So, si 1 over 18, kapag kinuha mo yung mga prime factors ni 18, so we have here 9 and 2, then we have here 3 and 3. O, nga't may 2 ka, wala ka namang 5, and then may nadagdag ka pang 3. So, therefore, it is not a terminating decimal. It is repeating decimals. Kasi meron kang nadagdag na 3 dito, tapos, wala ka pang 5 as a factor. Is it clear? So, that is how will you find if is it terminating or repeating. Kung fraction ang pagbabasihan nyo. So, si 2/3, pag in-equal mo yan into decimal, magiging siyang 0.6666 and so on and so forth. Yung bar line sa taas ng inyong fraction, ng inyong decimal, meaning po niyan ay wala siyang katapusan. Ibig sabihin, ulit-ulit-ulit lang si 6666. Naintindihan? Next tayo, 1 over 18. If you change it into decimal, so it becomes 0.0555555. So, bar line sa taas, meaning ulit-ulit siya. So, itong bar line na sa taas na yan, importante siya, lalo na kung siya ay repeating decimal. So, si bar line, siya yung magiging guide mo kung siya ba ay repeating or kaya hindi siya repeating. Naintindihan? So, ito rin yung way kung paano mo mapapaigsi si repeating decimals. Is it clear? Naintindihan ba ang pinagkaiba ni terminating decimals kay repeating decimals? Okay? Now, let us move in converting fraction to decimals. Convert fractions to decimals. Number 1, we have here 3/4. So, tingnan muna natin kung siya ba ay terminating o kaya repeating. Since we have here 4 as your denominator, therefore, ang factors niya lang is 2 and 2. Since 2 and 2 lang ang factors niya, therefore, this fraction is terminating decimal. So, meaning may katapusan itong decimal na to. Okay? May katapusan yung kanyang sagot. So, meron tayong 2 ways for us to solve this one. So, paano natin isosolve to? The first way is by using division, by long division. So, yun yung unang way natin, long division. So, we are going to divide 3 over 4. So, how you are going to divide that? So, this one would be your divisor. Then, etong numerator nyo, yan yung magiging dividend nyo. Yan. So, si dividend yung nasa loob, then sa labas ay si divisor. So, we have here 3 divided by 4. So, since you cannot divide them, kasi mas mataas yung divisor kesa kay numerator or divisor kesa kay dividend, ngayon, mag-a-add ka ng 0, then a decimal point. 0 point. Then, add 0 to 3. Ayan, ganun na. Then, afterwards, we are going to divide. So, 30 divided by 4. So, we have here 7. So, 7 times 4, the answer is 28. So, kapag magdi-divide ka, magtiting ka na number na imumultiply mo kay 4 na pinakamalapit kay 30. Okay? Yung kanyang product. So, since 7 times 4 is 28, subtract natin. 30 minus 28, the answer is 2. Then, add 0. Bring down 0. Then, you are going to divide ulit. 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. Then, 5 times 4, we have here 20. If you subtract 20 minus 20, the answer is 0. That is it. So, therefore, si 3/4 is equal to 0.75. That is the first way. Okay? Yan yung first method by using long division. Okay? Yung second, ganito naman. So, you have here 3/4. Ngayon, titing ka ng number na imumultiply mo kay 4, kailangan maging siyang 100. So, ano yung mumultiply natin kay 4 para maging 100 siya? So, we are going to multiply 25. Diba? So, 25 over 25. So, we are going to multiply 4 times 25. Ang sagot doon is 100. Tama? And then, 3 times 25, the answer doon is 75. Since we have here over 100 na, ang gagawin mo lang, so, i-divide lang natin siya sa 100 by having, moving the decimal places. So, 75. So, kapag dinivide mo kay 100, ilan ang 0 niyan? 2. So, move lang natin yung decimal places natin ng 2. 1, 2. So, that is it. So, the answer is 0.75. Ganun naman doon sa isang way. So, magtiting ka ng number na pwede mong i-multiply sa denominator mo na magiging siyang 100. Alright? Let us have another example. Number 2, we have 5 over 8. Let us see kung si 8 ba ay terminating or repeating siya. So, since 8. So, let us have the factors of 8. We have here 4 and 2. Then, si 4, pwede pang 2 and 2. So, all the prime factors of 8 is 2. Therefore, this one is terminating. Okay, terminating. Kasi, ang factors niya lang, prime factors na lang is 2. Is it clear? So, since terminating siya, Gamit tayo ng long division pa din. Okay, long division. So, we have here, ang inyong divisor, you have your 8 sa labas, then we have your 5. So, since si 5 ay hindi pwedeng i-divide kay 8, mag-a-add ka ng 0 dyan. Pag nag-add ka ng 0 dyan, we have 0 point. Decimal ha. Then, we can now divide. 50 divided by 8. So, if you divide 50 divided by 8, so, pag nag-add ka pala ng decimal dito, dapat din dito sa sagot. 50 divided by 8, the answer is, we have 6. 6 times 8, the answer is 48. Then subtract. 50 minus 48, we have here 2. So, 2 cannot divide to 8, so add 0 ulit. Add 0. Then, 20 divided by 8, pinakamalapit, we have here 2. 2 times 8, the answer is 16. Then, subtract. So, 20 minus 16, the answer is 4. Add 0 ulit. Add 0. So, 40 divided by 8, the answer is 5. So, 5 times 8, the answer is 40. So, subtract. So, we have 0. So, nag-stop na tayo dyan. So, therefore, 5 over 8 is equal to 0.625. Is it clear? So, long division ang ating gagamitin. So, ma'am po, pwede po ba dito yung ginamit natin kanina? Okay, so dito, kay 5 over 8, kung magtiting ka ng number na imumultiply mo kay 8 para siya ay maging 100, hindi mo pwede, kasi wala. So, hindi ka po pwedeng makapag-multiply kay 100. So, kanino? Kay 1,000 ka ngayon titink ng number. Ano yung pwede mo i-multiply kay 8 para maging 1,000 siya? That is 125. So, ito ay magiging 125. So, 125 over 125. So, if you multiply this one, magigitong 625 over 1,000. Anan? So, you have here 625, then, since the tatlong 0 yan, move ka tatlong 0. 1, 2, 3. That is it. So, you have 0.625. Number 3, we have here 3 over 10. Let us see kung siya ba ay terminating or repeating. So, since we have here 3 over 10, let us have the factors. We have 5 and 2. Ayun. Since 5 and 2 ang kanyang factors, therefore, terminating pa din ito. Terminating. Yan. And then, since terminating, may 2 methods tayo. Let us have yung isa muna. So, we have here 3, then 10. Let us divide. So, add 0. Kung nag-add ka ng 0 dyan, add ka dito ng 0 point. So, 30 divided by 10, the answer here is 3. 3 times 10, the answer is 30. So, tapos na. So, we have your 0. So, 3 over 10 is equal to 0.3. We're done. Okay? Or simply, kung gusto mo, dun ka sa simplest. So, we have 3 over 10. Since over 10 na yan, so, we have here 3. Yung decimal point, isang 0 dyan, move mo lang. So, you have 0.3. Tapos na. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Kapag ang inyong denominator is 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000, mag-move ka lang. Kung ilan yung 0 mo, move mo lang yung decimal mo papunta sa left side. Then, yun na yung sagot mo. Is it clear? Next tayo, let us have number 4. So, number 4, 9 over 10. O, over 10. So, right here, 9. So, since isang 0 lang, move mo lang yung decimal point to the left side, 1. So, therefore, we have your 0.9. So, that is it. Next tayo, 51 over 100. So, since over 100 dyan, write mo lang si 51. Then, move mo lang yung decimal mo. Ilang 0 to? 1, 2. So, move it to 2. 1, 2. Twice. So, we have your 0.51. That is it. Next tayo, 4 over 1,000. So, we have here 4. Then, move mo lang yung decimal places mo ng 3. Simula ka sa left. 1, 2, 3. Decimal. So, mag-a-add ka naman dito ng 2 0. Okay? So, therefore, 4 over 1,000 is 0.004. That is it. So, ganun lang kasimple. Kung ang inyong denominator ay nasa 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on and so forth, bilangin lang lahat ng 0, then move mo lang si decimal places to the left. Is it clear? Pero kapag hindi siya, denominator niya ay 10, 100, or 10,000, 1,000, ang gawin mo, pwede kang mag-isip ng number na pwede mo i-multiply dun sa number ng inyong denominator, gagawin mong 10, 100, or 1,000. Or, you may use long division. Is it clear? Okay, let us have an example naman ng repeating naman. Number 7 and number 8. Sa number 7 and number 8, this is repeating. Bakit siya repeating? Kasi si 3, ang factors na lang is 3 and 1. So, wala kang factors na 2 and 5 doon sa ating denominator. Dito naman, we have here 12. So, ang factors niya lang dito is 3 and 2 are involved. So, therefore, wala kang 5. Therefore, hindi mo siya mako-considered as a terminating. At saka, meron siyang ibang factors na which is 3. Alright? So, let us have this one. So, since we have here a repeating naman, kapag repeating, kailangan over 99 naman. Over 9, over 99, over 999, over 9,9999. So, yun naman yung iisipin mo. So, kapag ganoon, ano kaya yung multiply ko kay 3? Ito, sa ating denominator. Ano kaya yung multiply ko kay 3 para maging 9 siya. So, we have here 3 ulit. 3. 3 over 3. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. 6 over 9. Then, 6 over 9 na yan, move mo lang yung decimal. So, we have here 6. Move mo lang ng isa kasi isa lang naman yung 9. So, the answer is 0.6 then a bar line. Meaning, ulit-ulit na yung 6. So, ganun naman kapag ikaw ay repeating. Okay? So, 99 naman yung kanyang basehan. Hindi yung 10, 100, 1,000. Kapag terminating, yun yung basehan mo. Pero kapag ikaw ay repeating, ang basehan mo is 9. 9, 99, 999. Alright? So, let us check it. Paano mo siya i-double check? By using long division. We have here 3. I-divide natin by 2. So, let us divide. So, you cannot divide 2 to 3, so mag-add ka 0 point, then add ka dito ng 0. So, let us divide. So, that is 6. 6 times 3, the answer is 18. Then, subtract. So, the answer is 2 ulit. So, add 0 ulit. So, 6 ulit. So, 6 times 3, we have here 18. So, nag-ulit-ulit na. So, parehas na siya dito. 0.6. So, pwedeng ganyan naman. Minsan isa lang, minsan dalawa. Bahala ka. Depende sa'yo. So, ito naman ay 0.6 in a bar line and 0.6 in a bar line are just the same. Is it clear? So, that is it. So, ganun kapag repeating. 999 naman ang basihan mo. What if we have this one? 1 over 12. Dito kay 1 over 12, wala kang pwedeng kay 1 over 12 eh. Masyado siyang malaki. So, kung 0.999, hindi eh. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is long division talaga. Okay? So, we have here 1, then i-divide natin by 12. So, we have 1 divided by 12, cannot be. So, add 0. Since nag-add ka ng 0, ayan, decimal tayo. Si 10 divide 12, hindi pa rin. So, add 0 pa rin. So, add 0 ka pa rin dito. Then, tsaka tayo mag-divide. So, we have here 100 divided by 12. So, ang sagot na dyan, we have here 8. 8 times 12, the answer is 96. Then, subtract mo. So, 100 minus 96, the answer is 4. Add 0 dito. Add 0. So, we have here 40 divided by 12. The answer is, we have here 3. 3 times 12, the answer is 36. 36. Then, subtract mo. 4 ulit. So, add 0. Add 0. So, 40 divided by 12, 3 ulit. So, meaning, ulit-ulit na siya. 36. Then, subtract ulit, magiging 4 ulit. So, add 0. So, therefore, si 1 over 12 is equal to 0.083 and si 3 is, meaning, siya ay ulit-ulit na. Is it clear? Basta repeating, lagay ka lang ng bar line sa taas niya. Ibig sabihin nun, umuulit na yung number na merong bar line. Naintindihan? So, let us have another examples. Number 9. So, number 9, over 99 siya. So, since over 99, repeating ibig sabihin. So, ganito lang siya. So, we have here 41, then dalawang 9, so move mo lang 1, 2. Yan. So, it is equal to 0.41, then a bar line sa taas. Ganun lang kasimple. That is for number 9. Next tayo, 7 over 9. So, since we have here 7, right here mo lang dito sa 7. Then, over 9 yan, so move ka lang ng isa. So, that is it. Meaning, ito ay repeating. So, you have 0.7, then a bar line. That is it. Alright? Next tayo, this one. We have 1 and 25 over 99. So, ito naman, repeating ito, then meron kang mixed number dito. So, yung mixed number, meaning yan, whole number. So, 1 point. 1 point. Then, right here, 25. So, since dalawa ulit yan, so, yan na yun, dalawa, meaning, dalawa yung nagre-repeat. CC 0.25. Is it clear? So, di ba, madali lang kapag over 99 or over 10, over 100 lang yan. So, move ka lang ng decimal places. Then, kapag 99, wag nyo kakalimutan yung bar line sa taas. Okay? Kasi meaning yun, repeat siya. Then, let us have the last one. We have number 12, 3 and 1 half. So, 3 means the whole number. So, you have here 3 as a whole number. 3 points. So, yung pinaka-decimal na lang. So, si 1 half. So, since si 1 half is a terminating, think a number na i-multiply mo dito na magiging 10. So, si 5. 5 and 5. So, you have 1 times 5, we have here 5. 2 times 5, the answer is 10. Mo lang. So, this is 3.5. Yun lang yun. So, add mo lang yung whole number dun sa decimal mo. 3 plus 0.5, the answer is 3.5. Is it clear? So, isa pa nga. So, you have here 13. For example, I have here 4 and 3/4. 4 and 3/4. Ayan. 4 and 3/4. So, you have here a whole number, 4 point. So, si 3/4 is terminating. So, si 3 over 4, think a number mo, multiply mo, magiging siyang, hindi siya pwede maging 10 sa 100. So, you have here 25 and 25. So, 3 times 25, that is 75 over 100. So, since dalawang 0, move mo lang 1, 2. So, just write here 75, 4.75. We're done. Okay? So, that is how will you convert fractions into decimals. Now, let us move with decimal to fractions naman. Convert decimal to fractions. So, let us have this one. Number 1, we have here 0.30. Or we can change it as 0.3 kahit wala na yung 0 sa dulo. So, since isang decimal places lang yan, so it becomes 3 over 10 lang. Yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. That is already the answer. So, si 3 over 10, di mo na po pwede simplify yan. Naintindihan? So, number 2, we have here 0.45. So, you have here 0.45. Move mo lang. 1, 2. So, dalawang beses ka magmo-move. So, magiging siyang 45 over. Since dalawang magmo-move, dalawang 0. 100. Okay? So, it is equal to, si 45 and 100 divisible by 5. So, you are going to divide it by 5. So, 45 divided by 5, the answer is 9. Over 100 divided by 5, the answer is 20. That is it. So, the answer here is 9 over 20. So, if you going to change 9 over 20, the answer is 0.45. Did you get it? Next tayo, we have here 3.15. So, 3 means a whole number. So, you have here 3 for the mixed number, then 15 over, since dalawa ulit decimal, over 100 ito. So, we are going to simplify 15 over 100. So, it is equal to 3. Si 15 over 100 is divisible by 5 ulit. So, 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. Over 100 divided by 5, the answer is 20. So, this is now your answer. That is it. So, that's how you convert decimal to fractions. So, let us have more examples. Number 4, we have 0.325. So, dito, we have here 325. So, since bilangin natin ang zeros, 1, 2, 3. So, tatlong 0, that is 1,000. Ano lang kasimple. So, simplify lang natin. So, they are divisible by 25. So, 325 divided by 25, the answer is 13. Then, 1,000 divided by 25, the answer is 40. That is it. So, we have 13 over 40. Is it clear? So, ganun lang kasimple kapag siya ay terminating, hindi na uulit. Paano kung repeating na siya? So, we have 0.333. So, meaning yung 333 na yan ay nauulit na. So, we can rewrite it as 0.3, then na-repeat na yung 3. Pwede natin i-write yun ng ganyan. So, kapag repeating over 9, so, ang gagawin lang natin, you have here 3, then ilan lang to? Isa. So, over 9. 3 over 9. So, it is equal to, they are divisible by 3, it becomes 1/3. We're done. Okay? So, same lang din naman kung ganito yung gagamitin nyo. So, kung 0.33, magiging lang siya 33 over 99. So, pagpaparehasin mo lang siya. So, 33 over 99, they are divisible by 33, kaya magiging 1 over 3. Same pa rin ang kanyang sagot. Naintindihan? So, that is how if is it repeating. The rest of number 6, dito, 0.2121, meaning yung 21 repeat na. 21 and 21 repeating na siya. So, we can rewrite it as 0.21, nag-repeat na yung 21. Kaya, we have here 21 over 99. Ganun lang siya. So, kung tatlo yan, over 999. Ganun ha, naintindihan? So, kung ilan yung nag-repeat, yun lang din yung over mo. Is dito, 3 lang yung nagre-repeat, so 3 over 9. Isa lang, 9, isang 9 lang. Dito, dalawa yung nag-repeat na number, so over 99. Naintindihan? So, it is equal to, so si 21 and 99 divisible by 3, kaya magiging 7 over 33. That is it. So, let us have more examples. Number 7, we have here 0.8555. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang nauulit lang dito is 5. Hindi kasama si 8. Paano kapag ganyan? So, ganito gagawin nyo lang. So, ito nyo yung pinaka-shortcut niya. So, you have here 8, then 5, 5. Ito yung nare-repeat. So, ngayon, yung hindi na-repeat, isusubtract mo lang dito. Ang hindi na-repeat dito ay si 8, tama? Susubtract mo lang siya dito. So, then, 0.5, 0.5. Gawin mo lang siyang ganyan. Then, cancel out mo lang to. Then, 85 minus 8, the answer is 77. Then, since meron siyang hindi nasamang isa, over 90 lang. 90 naman. Ganun lang. 77 over 90. Okay? So, ito. Tinan mo to. Next tayo, number 3. So, 3 means whole number yan, whole number. So, meron kang whole number dito. So, what you are going to do, we have 4.11. So, we have here 1, 1, 1. 1 ang nauulit. So, lagay natin dyan, 0.1. So, since yung hindi nauulit, we have here 4. Subtract lang natin. 41 minus 4. Then, point yung, ito, yung nagre-repeat. Yun lang. So, mawawala na to. Then, 41 minus 4, the answer is 37. Then, over 90 lang yan. So, 3 and 37 over 90. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. So, isa pa. Number 9. For example, you have here 2.4333. Ayan. So, repeating na tong 333. So, write mo lang yung 43. Gawin mo lang 43.33. Ganyan. Then, sino yung hindi nag-repeat? Si 4, diba? So, 4. Subtract mo lang 4 minus yung nag-ulit na 3. Over mo. Then, cancel mo to. Magiging 0 na yan. Then, 43 minus 4. The answer is, we have here 39. So, 39 over 90. Yan lang. So, si 39 over 90, divisible siya by 3. So, magiging siyang 13 over 30. So, yan yung lalagay mo doon sa 2. 2, then 13 over 30. That is it. So, gano'n naman kapag hindi lahat ay nagre-repeat. Yung unang number ay hindi nagre-repeat. Isusubtract mo lang siya. Then, over 90 naman siya. Depende dun sa ilang number to. Halimbawa, ang tatlo to, over 990 naman. Halimbawa, ang apat to, 9,990. Is it clear? So, that is how will you convert decimals to fraction. So, that's all for today. And hopefully, may naintindihan kayo for our lesson. And that's all. So, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.